Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar right away. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!